My name is Oscar Kambona. I'm the interim coach at Shabana FC. Right now we're preparing for our next game against Posta FC, which will be on Saturday at Machakos grounds. At the moment we're still preparing the boys. Our preparation is going on well. Tuna prepare vizuri and wachezaji wako tayari for the match. According to preparation, we're all going out for a win. A win will be good for us because at the moment our target for the first leg is at least we get 12 points, which will make us in a comfortable position at least to retain in the Premier League. Yeah. With the challenges that we have, the management has been very supportive, and I cannot see any challenge at the moment. The only thing we had was our training ground. We had to switch the training ground from another place because the rain was too heavy and ilikuwa inafanya kiwanja inakuwa na maji mingi. So we relocate. Right now tuna trainia hapa Samita, which is much better. But so far there's no challenge apart from the pitch. But the management has done everything possible. That's why we are training here. The fans, they have always been supportive. Wamekuwa come to cheer, and I'm promising them they'll come for a happy ending at the end of the game because they're always there with us. They're always the 12th player. We don't feel the pressure to go away. Every match for us in Akwaga home because we always have the 12th player. For them, promise them a win. Yeah.
Na tukirogoria garagana cia Kenya Premier League na ni ati mbĩtĩka-inĩ cia ligi nene ya gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ, timu ya Itogoretie ligi-ini no Posta Rangers Muthii wa